Powerful spatial computing shouldn't have to feel like a headset. URXR1 brings high-end clarity, a wider view, and everyday portability into one lightweight pair of glasses.
Today's lightweight display glasses are portable, but a narrow field of view can limit how you use them. More capable headsets offer a richer experience, but their weight, size, and price make them harder to use every day.
After years of working across optics, displays, and XR hardware, we believed there had to be another way.
At around 93 grams, URXR1 gives you a large, private spatial display wherever you want to work, create, watch, or play.
Built around a mini pancake optical system, it delivers 2.5K resolution per eye across a 90-degree field of view, with a solid image that stays sharp from the center to the edges. Small text stays visible, your eyes can move naturally across the display, and the full image remains visible as you look around.
Connect your URXR1 to compatible devices and bring the screen with you. Right from the sofa, code from a cafe. Create without filling your desk with monitors. Watch privately while traveling, or turn your games into a smooth, immersive, big screen experience. One pair of glasses, a new canvas for every part of your day.
URXR1 is already a functional prototype, and we are moving towards pre-production. The hardware is real. We are continuing to build our URXR Connect companion app and the wider software experience, with more arriving through launch and beyond.
We are coming to Kickstarter to move URXR1 to production and build a community around what comes next.
Your support will help us continue developing URXR Connect and deliver the first units to backers.
Back URXR1 on Kickstarter. Help us make everyday spatial intelligence a reality.